A lot of times it might happen that you may find a good discount for domain at a different provider and a good discount for web hosting at a different provider. So you can even do that. You can purchase domain name from GoDaddy and you can purchase web hosting from HostGator or any other website, any other web hosting provider. The only thing is that you will need to change the name servers of that domain, and that name servers you can get from your web hosting provider. Here my domain is registered with GoDaddy and my hosting is registered with BigRock. Okay, you see, and here I have name server details. So if I click on this, it will give me these two name servers. What I need to go do, I need to go to GoDaddy and I need to click on manage and change the name servers to them, which I have already done here. Now if you will go to your DNS zone file here, you will see the zone file is unavailable because the domain set name servers do not belong to this registrar. Okay, so I have purchased because I was getting a much cheaper discount at the time of purchasing this domain. GoDaddy was running some coupon schemes, and for hosting, BigRock was running some good scheme. So I got these two pretty cheap. The only thing is that I need to purchase them at different registrars, but that hardly matters for me because it's a one-time activity, hardly takes a minute. I need to change the name servers as per the BigRock instructions. Okay, and we are done. So if you, in case you find any issue, you can use the course discussion forum, and I will be happy to assist you in that, in your web hosting registration, in your domain registration, in your name server details. Okay, so in case if you get stuck somewhere, do not hesitate to post your question in the GoDaddy forums, or you can even go to my website and try one of the contact me option from here. Okay, so you can go to pratiksingh.com and you can use the contact me page from here, and you can contact me by one of the options provided here. I will be adding more options to the website soon. Right now, I only have mentioned my Facebook and Twitter account there. Okay, so here we are on our WordPress dashboard, our engine, our base behind our website. Okay, so in the course, mostly we will be working in this area here. We will be making changes to the theme and to the plugins, to the settings here. And even if you go to settings, go to general, I told you can leave that my blog, my WordPress blog blank by default at that time because we can always change it later. So yeah, if you are not sure what name you want to keep, you can change it n number of times. Okay. So as per the membership website, the content, the topic on which you are creating your membership website, you can have your site title and tagline as per your requirement. Okay. So that was all for the video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. All the best.